It's blinking. Then it will turn off. You hear that? I don't know if you can hear it on the video. So this is the one. I found out that's causing the sound. Sound is gone. I have to replace that. Exactly the same brand of the breaker. I have this insulated screw. I'm gonna use also the, just to make sure to be safe, the voltage detector. Okay. Let me remove this. Gonna turn this off now. Some more. So it locks in here. So I have to do it. I have to do it like this and then pull. Like this and pull. Finally. This is the bad. This is the good. I have to get the same brand. Siemens. This is burnt. See that? I have to remove the burnt wire. Then, no, probably 12. Yep, it's 12. No, I don't think that's 16. It's there you go. I'm gonna put this now so I can see it. Lock in here. go. This one here.